Okay, so let's talk about last semester's examination. First of all, um, I was the examination officer, so I was taking records of all the complaints and challenges the students were having with the online, and of course, the good things students also had to say, and also lecturers had to say about the online platform. It appears there were some challenges that we experienced last 2 semesters that we also experienced last semester. And something like submission, some people would submit and then the system will tell them they have not submitted. Sometimes you get a submitted notice. After a couple of days you come back and then it says no, it has not been submitted, and a lot of students were confused. I would like to take this opportunity to apologize to my students for having this experience. Writing an exam alone is not easy, and then the added worry of wondering whether the lecturer has your scripts or not. But I have all your scripts, they have all been marked. I'm sure within this month it will be uploaded in your portal. That is if it has not already been done. I do not have too many A's. I don't think out of about 600 students, the A's were even up to 30. And so sad. I like giving my students A's. They look nice, A. But unfortunately, only a few of you had A's. There are a lot of B pluses, B's, and B minuses. I think that's where most of you were. B plus is good, it's very good. B is okay. B minus is then you start sinking. So I do not know why this happened. From the marking of the scripts, what I realized was a lot of students, some did not understand what I expected from the question. For instance, I would say, give me the calendar and then explain why you did a calendar as you did. And some would give the calendar and not explain, and they would lose a lot of marks for not, because as for the calendar, they will be great to make or down would be from the internet. But I need to understand that you know what you're doing. You have you have given good justification for why you're doing this, why this in this week and not in that week, that kind of thing, so that I can understand your thought processes. Yeah. There's no one rule or one way that it should be done. It is all based on how you explain or justify your choices. So a lot of people lost marks because they didn't do that, or maybe the explanations were lazily given. Probably they thought the focus was all on the calendar. So they write one line, two lines explanation. Oh, I put these things there because it's fantastic. And then they will walk away and then lose a lot of marks. Some students also plagiarize. They copied things from online and then they put it there for me. And I think it was sad. Very sad. So next semester, sorry, this semester, what I'll be doing, it's either the nature of the questions will be such that you would not find it anywhere on the internet. Yeah. So brace yourselves. It means that this semester you have to focus more on understanding the course rather than trying to give definitions according to this person, according to that person. It will be more practical. It will be more trying to understand your views on one thing or the other. When your view is not on the internet. Yeah. Another thing I realized about the exam was formatting. And by formatting, I mean the formatting of the Word document. Some people will write and then it will be in Times New Roman, and after you read a while, it will be Calibri, and then after you read a while, the fonts will change again. I don't know why that was happening. You need to be conscious of your formatting when you're sending assignments. It's all part of your marks, because it's just like when you're writing. If you write like a doctor writing a prescription and I can hardly read, you're going to lose marks. Same way, if you're presenting your work and it is busy basa, formatting is poor, it's not well aligned, it gives me the impression that you don't respect me enough to take your time to present something, nice to me. And I become sad and then I become wicked. So I hope that advises you on how you be formatting your work in future. Some people even submitted same work. Sometimes you read a work and then you realize, this thing, haven't I come across it? And then you search for it in the documents you have, and then you find out, voila, basically the same thing. So it's either they copied from each other or they copied from one source, from the internet. Either way, it was not cool and it didn't impress me. So if I found you out, you lost marks for that. Yeah, so those are some of the things that I realized with your end of semester exam. This semester, your final semester, I am praying that a lot more of you will get better grades to help negate some of the third classes you are at, some of the second lowest that you find yourselves at. So help me help you. Yeah, ask questions, watch the videos. When you're given assignments, don't sit aloof. Yeah, I would have another video that will address some of the attitude of students, but this one is focused on exams, so I will not digress. So let's be students. Yeah, let's be students and not feel like me, Charlie. I don't get time on me. I make busy school in the just certificate in the acquire there. If you have that attitude towards education, you're likely to have that attitude towards the assignment you're giving, towards exam, and towards a lot of things. And it might be subtly affecting you. Yeah. So take it seriously. Right. Thank you.